When summer heat strikes and traditional fans or AC units aren't practical, the H11 portable foldable bladeless neck fan steps in as the ultimate wearable solution. Combining sleek design, powerful airflow, and impressive battery life, this innovative fan is engineered for comfort, portability, and all-day use, whether you're commuting, working outdoors, or simply lounging at home. The H11 fan offers three adjustable speed settings, allowing you to tailor your cooling experience. Low, a gentle breeze, perfect for indoor environments or light activity. Medium, a balanced airflow, ideal for walking or casual movement. High, a powerful gust that truly cools under intense heat or during outdoor exercise. Switching between speeds is quick and intuitive via a single button interface, accompanied by an intelligent digital display that shows battery level and fan speed at a glance. The H11 portable foldable bladeless neck fan is far more than a novelty summer gadget. It's a thoughtfully engineered, user-focused cooling solution. With 80 air outlets, a foldable, portable design, long-lasting battery, and silent operation, it's ideal for commuters, travelers, outdoor workers, and anyone needing cooling relief on the go. Its modern design and powerful performance strike the perfect balance between form and function, making it one of the best wearable fans on the market today.